there, so we call it the multicultural neighborhood. Lots of people from everywhere around the world live there. It's kind of like an alternative. In fact, you see, he approached my group. That day, I remember I had like a couple of very
Good morning, guys! We made it! We made it through the first night here in Madrid. Last night we went out with my friend Tiago from Barcelona. And yeah, we went on the pub crawl through his hostel. Went to 3 different bars and then 1 club. Our initial plan was 1 drink per bar. So what happened, Jeffrey?
We had 2 shots and 1 drink in the first bar.
3 shots.
3 shots.
3 shots and 1 drink at the first bar, and then it just kind of snowballed from there. But we had a great time. It was really fun. Yeah. The people that hung out with us they were super cool. So yeah, and we actually got up early. So we rolled in at like 4 a.m. last night or this morning. We're supposed to have 2 roommates, but only 1 was there, and the other one just never showed up. So I don't know. Anyways. Maybe he had a great time last night too. Yeah. So anyways, we actually got up early. Not early. We actually got up on time for the walking tour, which started at 11. So we're on it right now, and we got free breakfast because we're late and we're dumb.
But it was free.
But it was free, exactly. So yeah, we're on the. I'm gonna catch up to these people. So yeah, so we're currently we're walking to the different hostels to pick up other people who are joining the group, and then yeah, we're gonna be on this walking tour in Madrid today. How exciting! Okay, that's all. And I lost my voice again. It's getting worse already. It's a beautiful day. Look at the sun.
Take it in.
Take it in. Hey guys, so we had a really good day full of adventures. We did our free walking tour of Madrid, and that went from 11 a.m. till around 2:33 p.m. Then after that, Jeffrey and I went and got some coffee because we were so tired, and then we got a bite to eat. And then at 4 o'clock we met my friend that I met in Prague, Javier. We went and had a couple of drinks. Then we were just so tired, and knowing that we're going back out tonight, we decided to come back to the room to just kind of rest for a little bit. So that's what we did. Came back for about an hour or so. We tried to nap a little bit, kind of helped a little bit. But anyway, so tonight what we're doing is at 9 o'clock we're doing the same thing. We're going to the OK Hostel, hang out with Tiago, do dinner, and then he's taking us to some bar tonight. I don't know where. Last night was so much fun. We went to 3 different bars. Went to a club, we drank a lot, but we had a really good time, and the people that we hung out with, they were just super, super nice. There was 1 girl from Germany, 1 girl from Brazil, and 2 guys from Montreal. Yeah, so it was a lot of fun. So, yeah, I'll show you guys what we do tonight, what we end up doing tonight. Hopefully, we won't be rolling in at 4 a.m. like this morning, because we need some rest for the rest of the trip. All right.
bounce with it, just bounce with it. Everybody wanna come, I'm announcing it. I'm always gon' get it, I'm always gon' get it. Even if you sit back denouncing it. But I'm a good kid, I rock gold, I'm never gon' sleep with ya. I loved you, I've been wrong, but let me see the whole damn picture. But damn, I got it, super motherfucker when he popped it. Fake ass ride when he copped it. Rode the snowmobile, so I know it's real. Nobody's ever really gonna stop it. Goddamn, yes ma'am. Can I do what I can as a man? Can I be what I said? Do it better than anybody who's really trying to be my fan. But come hang out with a vehicle, ride through dirty, everybody seeing you. While I drink my drink, you do your thing. Wake up feeling like you are all confused. Goddamn, and I do this solo. Love life, everybody want a photo. And I call my only girl, so she coming for the safe. So I tell the other bitch that I gotta slip away. So I do what I can and I'm getting by. My family kinda sad that I'm getting high, but slow it down and I paid around. Motherfuckers wanna claim that I always lie, but I really do feel ya. But I know my cows, but you real. So I'ma just do it better than I ever did, just so I can say that I really do feel ya. You feel me?